Today is all about farmers markets in Pennsylvania. So, what we're looking at right now is the homepage. This is where we always start, healthoverwealth.us. And today is Pennsylvania. So, we're going to go to events and farmers markets. And we're going to have these are all the events. So, we have 43 results, but we're going to actually go into Pennsylvania. So we're just going to start typing and pull up Pennsylvania search now. And there are 12. So we have 12 farmers markets showing up in Pennsylvania. And so today we're just going to look and kind of see what's here. So you can see how you can search, how to find things, where to go. And Health Over Wealth in the US is made for healthy lifestyle living. It has a place that you can go find cash-based practitioners, nutritionists, health coaches, all the different things. And today we're looking at farmers markets because this is part of living a healthy lifestyle. So what we have here, it's early in the morning, so I'm having some coffee while I record this. Okay, so we have one coming up September 5th, September 9th. Looks like the 10th, September 12th. And these are all in different places. So we have Philadelphia, Wexford. Now, forgive me, I'm not from Pennsylvania. I've never been to Pennsylvania. But to let you know how this works is we use AI to go out and search for specific events. And this one is for farmers markets. So it's going out and it's finding populated, publicized farmers markets. And then we curate those and bring them in. So that's where this information is coming from. Let's look at Pine Farmers Market, Community Park. I'm just curious what's in here. So if you click on the view more, you're going to get a map over here. So you can view it on a larger map and get directions. So we're still in Pine Farmers Market and we're looking at, so we can expand and get directions. You can also add it to your calendar. So if you click here, you can add it to whatever calendar you have. And this gives more information about what it is. So the farmers market at Pine Community Park returns to Pine Community Park with Wexford on Thursday, September 10th. It runs from 5 to 7:30 p.m. And you can go to register for event and it will actually open up their website so you can go see exactly what it's all about. It looks like Township of Pine. So it has the farmers market Pine Community Park listing. So it's more information. The farmers market probably doesn't have an actual website, but they did post on the Pine Township website. So there's a lot of things that you can look. Pine Community Park, they have a vendor lineup, concerts, all the different things. So it just gives you more information about that specific. It looks like the market's Thursday run is from June 11th to September 10th. So that's something that they do all the time. You can share this page. So if you know people, say you have a Facebook group that is in your local area and you want to share it, you can click here and it'll take you out to share it on your Facebook, LinkedIn, X. If you want to copy the link and forward it to somebody. So if you know somebody that wants to attend this, you can do that. Let's go back to our list. King of Prussia. Marion Farms, I believe, is how it is. So again, map over here, add to calendar. You can go share this page. This one, King of Prussia. I'm so sorry. I am not pronouncing these. So I just clicked on, let me tell you what I just did. Right here, Upper Marion Farmers Market. When I clicked on that, it took me to other King of Prussia, Pennsylvania farmers markets, things that are close by. This is West Philadelphia. So this is taking to other Pennsylvania ones. If I go back and I click on the register button, that's actually going to take us to the Upper Marion Township. Again, showing the farmers market. So it's taking you to what the public website is that this came from. So it's sourcing out where it came from to pull it in here to make it simplified for you to be able to find things in Pennsylvania. So again, 4-hour Saturday market, more than 15 years. It's just a little history there. Again, you can share it. So this is just a great way to go in and find farmers markets. Easton Farmers Market, Scott Park. That one's Easton, Pennsylvania. Not sure where that is. Again, you have your map and you can add it to your calendar. And then coming in here, it's September 19th and 9 to 1 p.m. Location, it's free. Register for event. Let's see where this one takes us. This one actually has their own website. So the Easton Farmers Market has their own website. So you can see that their farmers market goes to December 19th. So again, we'll probably see more of these. Looks like they have a market map, upcoming events, different vendors that show up so you can see what they got going on there. So great information to give you a snapshot of what's here. Again, you can share it, copy the link, forward it to somebody, text it to somebody and be like, hey, let's go do this. So that is everything for Pennsylvania farmers markets. Before I go, I just want to say, go and check out the other areas of the Centered Care Directory, this healthoverwealth.us. There are a lot of different areas you can go. There's a podcast. We were in the events. There's events, farmers market, health fairs, Health Over Wealth articles. These are articles written by the cash-based practitioners who are in the directory. And I know that there is Dr. Adrienne Towsen. She's in Westchester. Can I get healthier in my 50s? She's a local doctor who has a private practice, Towsen Clinic in Westchester, Pennsylvania. So you can go check out and see what she's doing. There's other Pennsylvania doctors in here as well, and other practices that do different things. So come in and check it out, see what's here, poke around. I'm going to be doing more videos. There's always new things being added daily, weekly, monthly. So come and check it out. Bookmark it. You can bookmark this page and come back to it whenever you want. I'm Susie Rains. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos that are coming out that are highlighting different things, and I'll see you in the next video.